Hi guys, in this short video I'm going to tell you that how you can easily text Italic in WhatsApp in Android. It is quite simple and easy. But before starting the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So first of all, open WhatsApp application. Now tap and select the chat to which you want to send Italic text. To make text Italic in WhatsApp, you need to add an underscore before and after the text. For example, if you want to send hello, now tap on send. Now your text will send in Italic. That's how you can easily text Italic in WhatsApp in Android. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.